Yo, I realized something a while ago, but today I'm gonna actually put it into words. Chosen ones, you are a power up for certain individuals. See, Nasty, what the hell are you talking about now? You're always saying some old crazy, cockamamie, just insanely. Chill out. I'll let you know what I mean by that right now. Chosen ones, you are a power up for most individuals out here, and I'll let you know what I mean right now. You ever played the game Mario when you was a little kid? Maybe some of y'all still playing Mario to this day. Feel me? And you remember Mario used to eat the mushroom and just get that little hit, that little dose, you know what I mean, to big up his ego. Look at it that way. Let's look at it that way. The person that's your friend, or a person, place, or thing, right? And they encounter you, right? Their ego, for some reason, gets that power up, feel me? And they drain you, chosen one. They literally drain you, these energy vampire. You're literally that power up for some people. You know another reason how I know we're power ups for some people? We're literally natural healers for like the whole world, literally. Anybody out there that encounters us, they touch our garment, literally. They're saved from most disasters out here. Believe it. We're like the butterfly effect for most people once they come encounter us. Feel me? Huh? If we cut them off in traffic, that was the luckiest person that ever got cut off, because we damn near saved them from some final destination trees falling on their ass. For real. Bruh, we could go around people and brighten up their day, make their day 10 times, 100 times, 100 million times better. Feel me? People come up to me all the time and tell me, oh, thank you, you made me feel so much better, and I'm still feeling like crap. Oh, feel me? You are a natural healer. You could talk to somebody and heal them. You could listen to somebody and heal them. You could just look and smile, and somebody's day is just 100% better. We're natural power-ups for some people. What does that mean, chosen one, for us, though? Because, you know, for us, we heal somebody. You know, we thinking, oh, this person just needs an ear to listen to. Oh, they just want a shoulder to lean on. Oh, you know what I mean? We give them that energy, and then we go home at night. We try to just lay our head down, and the next thing we know, we gotta exorcise demons and shit. Like, yo, where they do that at? Somebody tell me where they do that at, bro. Next thing you know, you're exercising demons all night, overnight in your dream. Just like, yo, you having a crazy wild dream. Just like, yo, what in the world? Yo, what? Feel me? And chosen ones, that's literally because of the souls, the spirits that you are saving out here, the demons that you are slaying out here, the angels that you are saving out here. Feel me? There are some angels that are being held hostage. Feel me? And just your words alone literally frees them from their shackles. Yeah. Oh, like me, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here freeing angels and shit, man. Little earth angels out here, yo. There's a lot of earth angels on here that are literally watching me right now. And yo, if y'all watching me, please hit me in the comment section, man. That's where I get my life at. Literally, the comment section. Hit the like button too. Let me know you're an earth angel out here saving souls, like, you know what I mean? Demon Slayer style. Shit. Well, listen, like I said, you're power-ups for certain people. Stop letting just any old damn Decepticon, Deceptioneer, or Deceptionist just eat you like a mushroom. Why? Because all they do is, say it with me, practice the art of deception. Also, don't let the LTSOs... You know I ain't gonna let up on the LTSOs ever. Ever! LTSOs, the damn less than smart ones. I know you're out there watching too. Y'all don't hit the like button or nothing or say nothing. That's how I know y'all the LTS. I'm just playing, y'all. Some of y'all. Anyways, I guess I've been ranting. So I'm gonna just go to the next video like y'all should do. Just swipe to the next video. Man, you know I got a whole bunch of high level consciousness conversations. Love y'all. One.